Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get a creepy doll on Dress to Impress for free. Okay, if you want to get a creepy doll, we need to redeem a code. You can go to the code menu and then you can enter the code here, and you just need to follow the code I'm typing here. We can type in B3APL4YS _ and then doll, like this, and then just click on redeem. And as you can see guys, that the creepy doll has been unlocked and we'll be able to use it. You just need to go to the dressing room and then go to the code to get the doll. Okay, go to the dressing room and then click on the code menu and select the doll. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get a creepy doll on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.